everyone, Karen here, and I want to share something with you I bought. So this is the blending tool handle, like we all have, but instead of putting the foam pad on it, this is a sanding disc. Now, it has Velcro on it, just like all the other ones do, but this is really nice to sand when you want to use white core paper and sand it off to make it two-tone. It really does a nice job. It's nice and coarse. It doesn't rip the paper, but it gets all the white off really easily. It did a really good job. So let me show you what I did. So I'm going to take a blue piece of white core paper this time and a different embossing folder. And I'm going to run this through my machine real quick. Alright, so I ran this through. And now we have this pattern here. So now, I'm just going to take this, and with the same motion I would as if I was ink blending, I am going to sand. You can go up and down if you want, or in circles. Either way, you get a nice smooth surface. And it's because this is so firm that it glides right over the top. And it does it pretty quickly. All right, let me wipe this off. Yep, I got a little overzealous here. Okay, there we go. Sanded it all right off. But yeah, so I will put the link to the product underneath, and yeah, these little round little sanding pads really do work great. And yeah, I got them on Amazon. So until next time, stay crafty.